Welcome to Tech Talk Episode 9. I have started to set up a second video studio here for additional videos that require a workbench view. I have enough spare studio equipment that this didn't cost me anything other than the purchase of a new wider angle 35mm camera lens and a second teleprompter. I already had spare LED lights, a video tripod, and a wireless lapel mic. The teleprompter that I am using is the Neewer X17 with remote, an exceptionally good unit for an inexpensive price. TerreSculptor has been getting a lot of internal code reorganizing and issue fixes for the current release and the next upcoming release. New features will start up again after the next couple of releases. The latest release, Build 224, also changes the high DPI mode to extend the support back to Windows 10 2016 version. And it fixes the truncated message box text on high DPI displays. I purchased a 27-inch high DPI monitor for one of my software development test computers in order to properly test high DPI rendering of the software. One of the main features that I want to get into TerreSculptor soon is the real-time 3D terrain sculpting system, using a variety of paintbrushes to modify the terrain. Initially, I will probably be limiting this feature to the normal LOD rendering mode, which supports terrain meshes and height maps from 2x2 up to 4096 by 4096. This will be the simplest to initially implement, as the terrain mesh vertices directly match the same size height map resolutions for vertex manipulation. I want to eventually have a progressive LOD render mode that supports terrain meshes up to 1 million by 1 million with sculpting capabilities to that size. Unreal Engine 5.3 doesn't appear to have the success of batch importing completed yet, if it is getting that feature at all. I performed multiple tests on Unreal Engine 5.3 preview, and I only found one new landscape feature, which is the Minimap Region system. The roadmap requires voting on the various upcoming features, and it is possible that the success of batch importing large worlds didn't receive enough votes. For the upcoming YouTube channel videos, I still have a lot more world partition videos in that series to complete, and I have a lot of people requesting videos on specific Unreal Engine open world features. I will be working as much as time permits on these videos. I haven't decided yet if I will release more videos for the World Composition series. I am attempting to release at least 5 or 6 videos per month, which I would like to increase to at least 2 per week as time permits. All of this is a lot of work for a solo developer, with tech support, store management, software development, and creating videos. That wraps up this episode. You have been watching Tech Talk with Demenzun Media. Please consider subscribing to the channel to help me in the YouTube algorithm. 89% of my channel viewers are not subscribed, and I receive no monetization for my channel.